Good morning, Smyrna Stars. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, and I want to talk to you a little bit about your learning opportunities for today. So today you are going to watch another phonics video, Unit 28, Day 2, do an episode of Head Sprout. In reading, you're going to continue with reading Walter and Iris. Going to make predictions today. All of that is included in this video right here that I made for you. Read 15-20 minutes today. And then in writing, you're going to continue the story you started yesterday. You're going to watch this video, and it talks about writing a draft for your narrative. So I want you to watch the video and then continue writing the same story that you started yesterday. I hope you guys have an awesome day learning today. Talk to you soon.